Hey guys, welcome to a new regular electric video. This is a very short video where I'm gonna show you some progress on this project. This is an inductor tester for testing the saturation current of an inductor. And we are here with our friend Pig Electric, nice friend here. He's helping me with the project. And well, how this will gonna work? Uh, this will discharge some energy over the inductor and plot on the scope the current curve of the inductor, and with the current curve we can see where and at what current the inductor will saturate. So this unit will help us with this, and this is the panel. I use a toner transfer to make the panel, and here we turn on the device, the equipment, and basically the simplest usage of this equipment will be to put the inductor here. So let me see if I have some inductor here. So yeah, get the inductor. We want to test the current. Plug here on these banana jacks and charge the device, so it will charge the capacitors, and here with the trigger we can discharge the energy over the inductor, and with a shunt inside we can see on the scope, on any scope, the current waveform and see the knee where the saturation occurs. And we have three scales here of amperes per volt. So for small inductors, medium inductors, and large inductors. And we can also configure other parameters here, and we can trigger the device by an external signal. We have a trigger out here, and here we have a voltage monitor, so we can monitor the voltage of the capacitors that store the energy to discharge on the inductor. So inside we will have the control board here. It's a very simple board. I designed it and made in home with a toner transfer too and black painting, so the results very nice. And this is the control board. We will have here two transformers, a transformer for logic and a transformer for the capacitor bank. And I have to design a capacitor bank that will be compatible with this case here. We don't have a lot of height here to put a big capacitor. And for the discharging, I use it in my prototype, a triac, a solid state relay. That is a triac with all the logic and components inside, and it worked very well. So I think I will not use a discrete triac, but I will use the solid state relay because it's easier to trigger with the board. The solid state relay has a optical isolation inside, so you can put a 5-volt signal and trigger the device. So when we trigger the triac, all the energy of the capacitors discharge over the inductor. So in the next video I think I will have the logic board working, and maybe the capacitor bank here, so we can make a first test. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we see each other in the next video.